Today I'm super hyped, and the main reason for that is we are finally going to be able to put some of those GKTech arms that they sent me out onto the Skyline. We're going to be focusing on the front end today. The main reason for that is with the Hikus elimination kit on these, there's a little kind of ball joint bushing that's pressed into the rear knuckles, and it can be a little bit of a difficult, hard time, and I'm not in a position where I can leave the car in jack stands overnight, or because I need to drive it tomorrow, you know what I'm saying. So I do have like this really cool kind of bearing presser that kind of latches on and should press it out, but I just don't want to take my chances, so I'll wait till I've got a couple days free. Now, in the meantime, like I said, we're going to be focusing on the front end, which means the like double wishbone kind of camber arm thing, the top control arm. We're also going to be replacing those hideous blue D-Max caster arms that keep breaking on me and all my friends. So enough said, we're going to jack up the car, we're going to get everything set up, and I'll show you the goods. Okay, so we've got the car jacked up now, got all the parts and the tools and everything out that we need to get the job done. I'm pretty pumped. Let me show you the goods. So GKTech sent us obviously their new caster arms. These are awesome. I can't wait to put them on. We're replacing these blue D-Max arms here. Heaps of people have issues with them. Even Oka-chan had issues with them. You would have seen in the videos that we've done previously. Literally, this is the weak point here. It bends and breaks, does the same thing here, and these just keep like loosening off all the time. Huge pain in the butt, but yeah, I've never had any good luck with these arms. So taking them off, putting these ones on, this is going to give us a little bit more clearance too. They're a lot stronger, only one adjustable point here, so it takes away that middle weak point. Another thing, and then like with that extra clearance, we're probably going to gain like 20 mil extra there of angle if we need it, and then we're going to start contacting on the sway bar. So that's kind of good. We'll get that swapped out. The next thing we're swapping out also, please ignore how dirty it is under here. I didn't realize it got so dirty after that wet track day. It just flicked up all the dirt from the track and rubber and things like that in here, and need to try and take this thing to an underbody car wash somewhere. Anyways, we're going to be replacing the upper control arm here. These are much different to S chassis. Obviously S chassis, they don't even have this kind of wishbone set up here. And the only way to get camber adjustment out of a Skyline is to either get adjustable versions of these upper control arms that come in and out, or you extend your LCA, and you can see here my LCA has already been extended. So anyways, we're going to be putting in these brand new upper control arms from GKTech. I think this product was literally just released, and the best thing is they're adjustable, obviously. Really pumped to be running these and trying it out. I think one of my favorite things is they also give you a whole bunch of measurements here so you can get the OEM length. We're going to go probably like 10 mil, maybe 15 mil over the OEM length just to get a cut like maybe an extra 1 degrees of camber. We don't need too much more because we've obviously got our extended LCAs by like 20 mil down there also. So we'll measure everything before we take the custom ones off. Sorry, before we take the OEM ones off, just so we can try and get our alignment as best as we can, so that I can last a drive to get an alignment at Oka-chan's workshop later on this week. For now, I think I've done enough talking. Really pumped to put these awesome products on, so let's just get to it. Okay, so we're all finished on this side now, and we got the upper control arm all installed. We've got the caster arm installed, and just look at the difference in this caster arm. We're definitely going to be hitting that sway bar before we hit the caster arm now. But with the upper control arm, I ended up actually taking some camber out and not adding more negative camber. And the main reason for that is I just want to wait till we're on, obviously, Oka-chan's alignment machine and stuff like that. We'll figure it all out at Yoshio Factory if we need to add or take more. But for now, I kind of wanted to straighten a little bit of the camber out because it seemed like it was a bit too aggressive and causing some really bad camber wear. I'm not sure if you can see that on the tire there. So yeah, we'll get that all dialed in and sorted out probably later on this week when I go there to work on the S15 some more. But for now, we're actually losing light. Yo, that was cool. the chances of that driving past. Anyways, we're running out of light, so I'm gonna smash through, get the other side done, and we'll pick it up from there. And just like that, we're now finished on this side, although it's about 7:30 p.m, so it's actually good that I've finished around this time because I don't want to be making any noise with my rattle gun on like past 8 p.m, so it'll work out all right. We'll pack everything up. I've made a huge mess out here and it's dark and I've got the lights out and everything, so we'll pack everything up and then we'll kind of probably wash up too because I've got grease and stuff all over me. I don't want to get that on my Bride Z3, so we will take it out for a test drive, see how it handles, and go from there. So taking the car out for a little test drive, and everything feels really good. It does, like, the car's not veering anywhere. Doesn't feel like there's any change in the alignments from before I changed all the arms. So really happy about that, but obviously we're still going to go to Yoshio factory and get an alignment done this week when we're up there, just so we can dial everything in. And I really want to get that Hikis delete kit in this week as well. Obviously I already have a Hikis like bar in there that cancels out Hikis and whatnot, but I want to completely eliminate and put proper toe arms in there. I don't want those tiny little Hikis arms in there for toe. So we'll fix all of that. But for now, the car definitely feels good. I just can't go into boost because of that coupler that split. If you didn't see yesterday's video at the end, the coupler, the 90-degree coupler coming off the top of the turbo, it split and popped. So I can't go into boost right now because it just all leaks out of there. So anyways, we are going to park the car up. I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I've got something really cool to show you guys. So let's pick it up from there. So what I have here is a brand new digital dash from PowerTune, and this is the same one that's in my Skyline. You guys have been watching in the videos when I set this up, prototyping with the guys, how they've been sending me parts, and we've been changing the product as we go along. And this is the final product that they've come up with, and it is absolutely amazing. That's what's currently in my Skyline, the final product, the same model as this, and it is performing amazingly. So you guys know what it is, and the best thing is that it works with pretty much every ECU out there. You know, Apexi Power FC, Haltech Link, anything with CAN bus, OBD2 cars, also old Sylvia's, you know, factory ECUs with the Nissan console port. It's absolutely amazing. Comes with everything, you know, sensors and GPS modules, the bracket for mounting it to your steering column, power cable and whatnot. And here's the best news. We are giving this unit away for free. There are a few conditions though. If you want to enter in, pretty much you need to be able to, now you can do this on either Facebook or Instagram. I'll put the links in the description, but you need to go and like PowerTune on either their Facebook or Instagram page. You don't need to do both, but either one. And then you need to go to one of their posts and tag at least 5 of your friends, okay? I know that's a lot, but it's worth it. You're gonna be getting a free digital dash. Now, as long as you've got that done, you're straight away an entrant to be able to win this. And if you want to increase your chances in winning after doing that, all you need to do is head to SAMMIT.net and grab some fresh slap stickers and merch, all right? So, at the end of the competition, not only will I have a list of everyone that's gone and done that, but I will be also asking you to send me a screenshot of, you know, you like in the PowerTune page, as well as, you know, tagging your friends, just to make sure everything is fair and all G. I'm sure you guys can understand, and I do want to do a massive shout out to PowerTune and thank them so much for sending me this product. I think it's awesome that they wanted to give you guys a free item. Like, the best thing is like, you know, my one as well, it was a sponsorship and stuff like that, and I just thought it would be really cool if we could work together and be able to give you guys one of these, because I know tons of you have been commenting and asking what it is, where it is, how to get it, and you've all, like, all the feedback I've had from my friends as well as you guys that have gone and bought them is you can't get over the price, how good they work, and how simple it is to set up. So for any of you guys that haven't been able to get one yet, this is now your chance. Or if you want a second one for the missus car or for the mum's car, whatever you want, you know, this is your opportunity. Win this puppy. I'm going to announce and put in the description when the competition will end, but it is going to be at the end of this month. I don't have my calendar open right at the second to know, and the 30th of September is when this competition will end, and we'll do a live stream announcing the winner. So there you guys go. 30th of September, you know what to do. Go ahead to PowerTune's either Facebook or Instagram page, like it, tag 5 of your friends in one of their posts. That's an entrant, and if you want to increase your chances, go ahead to the SAMMIT merch store and grab yourself some slap stickers. Okay, so today was absolutely awesome. I'm so happy that we got the front end done with the GKTech stuff. Now we just got to tackle the rear, and I'm hoping to get it done this week as well. I'm probably going to try and see if we can do it at Yoshio factory, just because I want to be able to have the safety net of, oh crap, the little, like, you know, bushing press thing that latches onto the knuckle and is supposed to push it out isn't working, so I can just take the knuckle off, use Oka-chan's press and push it out and put the new bushing in for the toe arms and stuff like that. You guys will understand what I'm talking about if you don't really get it, but yeah, the hiker system uses like a ball joint bushing that's pressed into the knuckle. You have to press that out to put a normal bushing in there to accept a toe arm. So yeah, I'm pumped to get that sorted out because things are going to be a lot stronger in the rear end. And then we're going to go over and look at some other suspension things, and we're going to redo the entire alignment on the Skyline. We may even add more camber, take away more camber. I don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to set that thing up as best we can like an S chassis, but obviously because it's a lot heavier, we're going to take that into account. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did. I felt very productive getting that stuff done on the Skyline. Feels good to, you know, give the old girl some love every now and then. I feel like I'm starting to neglect her a bit because I'm doing so much work on the S15, and I think what's right around the corner is probably a lot more seat time in the S15 than her, but hopefully she'll forgive me. You know what I mean? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Tell me in the comment section what you thought of today. Also, how hyped are you guys for this PowerTune Digital Dash giveaway? I'm actually super stoked that you know, PowerTune reached out and wanted to give you guys this product. Obviously, you know, it's kind of like a sponsorship / advertisement thing for them and stuff like that, but you guys get a free digital dash, and I think that's awesome, and I'd love to do more stuff like that in the future. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Ja mata.